let's welcome, we have with us from Jio Hotstar, the man steering stories to millions of homes, making premium content truly accessible, SWOT Head and Chief Marketing Officer, JioStar, Sushant Sriram. Good to see you, Sushant. It's a pleasure. Let's also welcome a visionary who always knows what the audience will love, the cluster head for entertainment business at JioStar, as a part of which he leads Hindi originals for Jio Hotstar. Please welcome Alok Jain. A rocking welcome to you. And next up, we have the man who's been the driving force behind some of India's most compelling content, including The Trial Season 2, founder and Group CEO, Banijay Asia and Endemol Shine India. Please welcome Deepak Dhar. Welcome. सितारों को मंच पे बुलाने से पहले आई थिंक मैं थोड़े सवाल जवाब इनसे कर लेता हूं. So request please settle down. Thank you. If I can help you with the mic as well. There we go. Yeah, thank you. All right. We're waiting for the stars to descend on the other half of the stage, but before that, I will half empty or half full. That's how we look at it. Before that, I'll have a couple of questions for all three of you, and starting with Alok. Alok, the show reflects a strong, complex storytelling, and you think Indian audiences are now ready for more, morally grey characters and layered narratives, and does that shape your commissioning decisions?
Thank you. First of all, a very, very warm welcome to all the people from the press who has come here today on this very big event for us for the launch of the second season of Trial 2. So really warm welcome to all of you. I really hope that you have a good time today and also enjoy the show. So thank you for that. Second, I would really like, before I answer your question, I would really like to thank the team which has put the show together over so much of a time. The last season we launched was July 23, and it's been almost a little over 2 years. And those 2 years, everyone, Deepak and his team at Banijay, the cast, Kajol, Jeshu, everyone, and has spent so much of time to put together such a powerful show we saw just now. So really very, very grateful to you on the behalf of Jio Hotstar for putting so much of energy and making such a character live. And and also my team who has really put hard work to put this show together here. Coming to a question, as you said, that the show, are we ready for complex storytelling like this? I think the answer is yes, because India is such a large and vast country. People always say that India is just not a country, it's a continent with so many different dialects, languages and so forth. And we have some 500 million people who watch content digitally. And India is exposed to global phenomena. They are much, much younger country in India, and they are evolving palette. So, and what they like is to know how the reality today is. And so we are very, very ready. And it's our responsibility as at the platform to tell stories which are stories of people see the world around them, the dilemmas people go through every day, the things people see around them, and we reflect those stories in a powerful and exciting, entertaining manner. So we are very, very conscious about that, and our effort is in the direction. And yes, India is very ready, and our job is to continue telling stories which are exciting, authentic, and complex also, because complexity is a part of authenticity. So we are very, very excited. And thank you everyone once again for being here today. Thank you.
Well, Alok, first of all, I would like to say thank you on behalf of viewers as well as a viewers representative that we were desperately waiting for season 2, and thank you for bringing it to life.
No, thank you.
Thank you. Sushant, my next question is for you. We have global formats being adapted successfully for Indian audiences on Jio Hotstar. How do you balance staying true to the essence of these formats while ensuring that they resonate with local sensibilities?
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I really feel like this prelude is keeping all the fans from the rest of the event flow. So I'll just keep this very brief. It's a story that is borderless. It's a story that is timeless, and it's a story at the same time that's been told beautifully and brought to life beautifully by the phenomenal team. It's just one more example of how great stories don't have borders. And if you're able to root them in the cultural mores of India and in the cultural sort of environment that we operate in, I think every story can feel truly local. A good story can feel truly local, and the trial is potentially one of the best examples of that. So kudos to the entire team, really. And we are just happy that we get the opportunity to partner with some amazing storytellers and creators.
And thank you for always stirring up some great content, Storm. Sushant, one more question. So, you have many lawyers on your legal team and your cinematic legal team as well. What makes Noinika special? Yeah, your daily life, you meet
I feel like this was a planted question. I think I don't want to repeat what Alok also mentioned, but I think what's important is it's not just so much about just one arc of her life that makes it so much interesting and just such an engrossing watch. It is how she has to balance and make the right choices between her sort of familial obligations and her moral obligations and her professional commitments. So it's not just a unidimensional view to a very complex character and a complex story, and especially season 2. Not to give away too much, but I think it kind of just heightens all of them a little more, all of those emotions and those stories and those arcs. So 19th September.
It is. We can't wait to, unravel the layers, different layers of Noinika and Trial Season 2. Thank you. Dikuji, my question's for you now. What is that one creative risk you took in Trial Season 2 that you hope the audiences will truly notice?
Well, I don't think we really took a creative risk at all, to be very candid with you. To me, we didn't see this as any risk. We just saw this as a massive opportunity yet again. We see this because we have a fantastic collaboration with Kajol. We've done multiple projects together. Every time we have a great story, we immediately go and bounce it off with her and her team so as to see how she reacts to it. And she's been very warm and welcoming with a lot of stories, a lot of formats that we take to her. The second part really being, we find the best home in Hotstar and the teams and the colleagues at the partners that they are. So we've obviously done a lot of shows together. So, it's just a great opportunity of, good creative minds coming together. So to me, I didn't really see this as a risk, but an opportunity to get season 2 really started. And thirdly, the director, Umesh, again, fantastic storyteller. We took the story to him and, wanted to see it from his eyes. Fourthly, the team that was putting it together, again, fantastic team. So, I'm blessed with having the right producers in Banijay, Rajesh Chadda, Tarunima, and a few other colleagues of mine. So, didn't really honestly see this as a risk at all, just saw this as a massive opportunity to come back, put season 2 in motion right after a fantastic season 1. We are very excited, itching to see how the audiences react and move on from there.
We're excited too. After looking at the trailer itself, we love the concoction of risk, opportunities, and creativity put together. So wishing you the best and thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm going to request you please be seated. As I said, the half full. Now we'll get the stars on stage, and for the same, let's make some noise and bring on the stars. अब वक्त आ गया है इस शो के खास किरदारों को मंच पर बुलाने का. दोस्तों, please let's welcome the stellar cast and the creators of the Trial प्यार कानून धोखा season 2. सबसे पहले, she is a powerhouse performer जिन्होंने हर रोल को redefine किया है. सिल्वर स्क्रीन के क्लासिक से लेकर अब कोर्ट रूम पर कमांड करती हैं ये with unmatched intensity and grace. एक unstoppable force, एक fearless voice. नौनिका सेन गुप्ता के किरदार को दमदार रूप दिया है एक ऐसी औरत जो फाइट करती है सच्चाई, प्यार और इंसाफ के लिए. Please welcome one and only the ever gorgeous Kajol. Next, very close friend as well, Bold, complex, and utterly captivating. Please welcome one and only Kubra Seth. And last but not the least is सारी madness के mastermind हमारे director. Please welcome Umesh Best. Welcome. Good to see you guys again, and congratulations on the trailer launch of season 2. And season 2 हर boundary को push कर रहा है. We love the way the characters layered, and we've got insights from them. We'd like to know from you as well. And I'm going to quickly, I know आपके जहन में काफी सवाल है. उससे पहले मैं थोड़े सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ. अब सितारे यहाँ पर आ ही गए हैं, डायरेक्टर साहब भी हैं. So if I could have the set of questions, if I could tell the back-end team to give me 1 second, quick check. Thank you. Thank you so much. काजोल, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल तो आपसे, पिछले सीजन जब ये लॉन्च हुआ था तभी मैंने कहा था कि आपको देख के कुछ कुछ होता है, राइट? आपके हर किरदार, सिमरन, अंजलि, पिया, प्रिया, नंदिनी और अब नयनिका से प्यार होता है हर बार. बट इस बार, 1 second, I have to say something. मेरा पहला प्यार अधूरा रह गया, रिफत भी. But definitely, we love you for every character, every layer that you portray on screen. So thank you for being you.
Thank you. My pleasure.
And Nonika, my question to you is कि सिर्फ आप एक लॉयर नहीं बल्कि एक माँ है, वाइफ और एक ऐसी औरत है जो अपनी जिंदगी के हर एस्पेक्ट को बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कर रही है. And as you rightly said in the trailer कि माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है. कि यही इमोशन नोनिका को एक पावरफुल लॉयर और पावरफुल औरत बनाता है इस सीजन में, और भी पावरफुल?
इस सीजन के बारे में मैं इतना सारा कुछ बता नहीं सकती हूँ, लेकिन जितना आपने ट्रेलर में देखा है, आई थिंक द सीजन इज much more interesting and complex, and I think Sushant, right? Sushant said earlier, it is the kind of story that is about, it's a common story. और अगर आप औरत की स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में बात करते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि हर औरत जो इस रूम में है वो सब में ये स्ट्रेंथ होती है, और अपने बच्चों के लिए, कभी कभी खुद के लिए ये डिसीशंस हम लेते रहते हैं ज़िंदगी में. और कुछ दिन नयनिका एक अच्छी माँ है, कुछ दिन एक अच्छी लॉयर है. डिपेंड्स ऑन द डे, डिपेंड्स ऑन द एपिसोड.
So different moods of Noynika is what we're going to see. And अगला सवाल जो है मैं अजय देवगन सर को साक्षी मान के पूछ रहा हूँ. रियल लाइफ में आप क्या चूज करती हैं, जस्टिस ओवर लव या लव ओवर जस्टिस? नो फिल्टर्स फॉर दिस वन.
Woo. Like I said, it depends on the situation. But to give you an answer that you will remember, I'd choose being human over justice. Maybe being kind over justice sometimes.
एक ही दिल है, कितनी बार लोगे आप, कितनी बार जीतोगे? Thank you Kajol, and wish you the best for season 2. उमेश जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे अगला कि
जी,
I just want to say that Umesh ji looks very unassuming. We all look, हम सब ने मतलब we are all dressed to the nines over here, and Umesh ji looks very unassuming. But I want to tell you, he's absolutely done a fabulous job with the show. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Kajol.
Umesh ji, for that. Thank you.
I'll add to that, as a viewer, when we saw the trailer, we were completely gripped, so we loved it already. So
Thank you.
And wish you the best, sir. Umesh ji, courtroom dramas are not new, लेकिन the trial has a very distinct tonality. एक personal भी है और political भी है. For season 2, what was your biggest creative challenge to raise the bar?
एक्चुअली मैं दीपक जी की एक लाइन बोरो कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पे, कि चैलेंज नहीं था, अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट क्रिएटिव अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अस, बिकॉज फॉर दिस शो दो चीज़ें थी. एक तो जो ओरिजिनल शो है द गुड वाइफ, आई वाज अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ गुड वाइफ, एंड द सेकंड वाज काजोल. सो आई एम अ ग्रेट फैन ऑफ काजोल. सो ये दो चीज़ें जब नज़र आई करने के लिए तो मतलब वो शो अपने आप में एक बहुत एक्साइटिंग शो बन गया। तो जब आप देखेंगे तो ट्रेलर में भी उसकी एक झलक आई है, जिसको हम राइटिंग में कहते हैं हमारे ट्रैक्स जो हैं वो ब्रेडेड ट्रैक्स हैं, मतलब 4 ट्रैक्स हैं, उनको किस तरह से गूंथ के पिरो करके एक कहानी में, एक नैरेटिव में बनाया गया है। तो कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा जो आप लोग देखेंगे, जो केसेस देखेंगे इस सीज़न में, उसमें सबसे बड़ी बात इस बार ये है कि जो केसेस हैं वो भी नोएनिका की पर्सनल लाइफ से कहीं ना कहीं रेजोनेट करते हैं। सो अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता क्योंकि वैसे ही लोगों ने, आपने काफ़ी कुछ बता ही दिया है शो के बारे में, तो कुछ थोड़ा सस्पेंस रखते हैं। बट ये है कि बड़े मज़ेदार केसेस हैं, और वो मज़ेदार इसलिए और बन जाते हैं क्योंकि वो नोएनिका की लाइफ के साथ जुड़े होते हैं। तो आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन।
Yes, you did. You did give us a deep dive into it, but we want to know more, but we'll have to wait till the 19th of September.
Absolutely, yeah.
और जैसा आपने कहा कि ये challenges नहीं, opportunities हैं, तो एक मौका है, और मौका सभी को मिलता है, मौके पर चौका मारना तो बनता है, मेरा नाम ही सचिन है, so वो तो करना मेरा काम है. Thank you so much, sir, and wish you the best. Thank you. Jishuji, my questions for you. First of all, let me compliment you. You're looking like a dude. Isn't he looking like a dude? Yeah?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
श्री सवाल ये कि
He's got a man
राजीव
crush on you.
Sorry?
I said he's got a man crush on you.
in deny if women can love, if women can confess they're adoring other women and complimenting them, we can compliment men as well, right?
Absolutely, but you've not sung him a song and all. 2-3 लाइनें भी नहीं बोली हैं उनके लिए.
वो वो पर्सनल में कर लूंगा मैं ऑफ स्टेज. But I love you.
Thank you.
He didn't even say I love you too.
I love you too.
I was hoping.
Okay, I love you too.
Thank you, Jishu.
कुछ चीज़ें
Subtle.
My question is, राजीव अपनी मैरिज को सेव करने की कोशिश करता है इस सीजन 2 में, लेकिन उसके पर्सनल चॉइसेस उसके खिलाफ ही काम करते हैं हमेशा से. आपके मुताबिक राजीव के लिए शादी एक जिम्मेदारी है या इमोशनल एंकर?
It's an emotional anchor, I would say, because Rajiv loves his family, loves his kids, but he loves his job also, what he wants to become, what he is. So दोनों में he is basically getting torn apart. बंदा अच्छा है, खराब नहीं है, बुरा नहीं है, वो अच्छा बंदा है.
और इसके पहले मैंने कहते बंदे से प्यार हो जाता है उसे स्क्रीन पे देखने के बाद यार. सो थैंक यू.
अच्छा बंदा है, nice guy.
Actually, that's why reason you have to cast a very good looking person for a role like this.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm blushing already. अभी मैं पीछे चला जाऊँ.
That's a plan.
एक करेक्शन करना चाहता हूँ. आपने कहा कि आप डैशिंग दिख रहे हो, डैशिंग दिख नहीं रहे हो. दिख नहीं रहे हो.
ये कोई दूसरा शो चल रहा है.
Kubra, my next question is for you, but before that, let me come and give you a big hug because we go back about 15 years. We moved to India together back in 2011, 6 months ki difference mein from Dubai, and the way she's grown, commendable, and congratulations to you for all the accolades. So, means the world. Please.
Thank you,
I will not say
Thank
Habibti,
you.
I will say Habibi as always.
Habibi.
Habibi, kif halak, sho khabarik. All right, Kubra, my questions to you. You're known for the characters that you play that are strong yet unpredictable. Season 2 में आपके रोल में सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग लेयर क्या था जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट किया?
I think the first thing that attracted me about joining the family again with season 2 of Trial is that ये मेरी जिंदगी का पहला season 2 है. Because so far any show that I've done, my character gets killed, or they don't make a season 2. So I have always been on the hunt for another job. And I think with this, when the entire team, first of all, it's been an honor, an absolute life-changing experience to work with incredible actors, Kajol, Jishu Sen, Gupta, in season 1. But now in season 2, you get to elevate that performance with an incredible director as Umesh Bish. He's such a warm, wonderful, kind, grounded director that he was able to stir up more emotions than I could imagine season 2 would bring for my character. But I think the one thing that stands out for Sana Sheikh as a character is the fact that she's very secretive. And I think to know more about her secrets, you will have to watch season 2. But I think in season 1, we saw how Nayonika found friendship in Sana. I think in season 2, Sana finds her true friendship in Nayonika. So, yeah, that was pretty damn good.
Thank you for spilling the beans.
It's still secretive. But we're friends, yeah. You're my best friend, yeah.
Okay. But here's to new beginnings, new season 2s for you, and wishing you the best. And you know, you're known for no filter, but you're allowed to use filter for the next question that I'm going to ask you. A little. In a show full of betrayal, who would you never want to be betrayed by in real life?
I don't think you can call the shots on who's going to betray you or not in life, and that's the truth. I think if you live your life with authenticity, and as you said, sir, authenticity comes with complexity. So as far as, you know,
I
you
think
can
I'll
appreciate
answer that question for you because
Please.
as somebody who has worked with Kubra in season 1, season 2, and seen her off screen quite a few times as well, Kubra is one of those rare people actually who handles criticism, witticism, and as you put it, maybe not betrayal, I haven't seen her with that, but any sort of negativity with such a wonderfully positive attitude that it doesn't turn out to be that eventually. She turns it into something else. So I think that's something that I truly admire about her.
Wow.
She just sealed it with a kiss, so loved it. Every word.
True?
Thank you.
Yeah, it is. And तुम्हें तो पता है खुला आकाश है तुम्हारा तुम उड़ सकती हो जी सकती हो. Right? So wish you the best and thank you. Now there's going to be, before we open the floor for media Q&A, I know बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि हमें भी सवाल पूछने हैं, and she's nodding yes, which I will open the floor for media Q&A. पर उससे पहले a quick fun, if you could just bring in those placards please. Yes. You could keep your mics down and you could just use those.
I
Alright, there are
need
three-
clarification.
प्यार कानून धोखा. Okay? You have to check and then raise it as I go with the question. Yeah? And if I feel like I might just dig in a little deeper, why so? Yeah? Good to go? Any one, Kubra, don't confuse me. yeah. All right. Out of these three, Pyar, Kaanoon and Dhokha, what makes for the best plot twist? Dhokha. Dhokha, Pyar, Dhok. So the creator, director, Saab, both are saying Dhokha. Yeah. Should we read between the lines and say कि इस season में हमें क्या देखने मिला है? From the creator, Dhokha, Dhokha. Huh? It's a test. You can. Okay, what is yours? Dhokha. Acha, now you're going for Dhokha. Now, because the creator and director both have gone for Dhokha and you also, why don't you answer that and tell us why? Oh, you said Dhokha. Come on. Kaanoon. And may we know why? Because the only one who did that is you, Kaanoon. Baki
Because
sab
I'm
kya-
the only one who did that.
Why?
Because everybody else was holding up, yeah. Yeah.
You didn't.
everybody-
What makes the best plot twist? Like a twist in a in this we're talking about.
I'd say law. Because whenever you have a plot twist, the law, if you go against the law of the episode, is when you get a plot twist, right? So it's Kaanoon. Don't mess with me. Well,
Yeah. Do you agree? Do you want to add something, Kubra or Jishu?
are
Convinced?
you convinced? You're on my side? Okay.
Oh, she's going. She's,
She's always right.
she's going to be the
Isn't
voice.
it?
Okay. अच्छा
Oh,
अगला.
Umesh ji,
इतने पिटने के बाद आदमी यही कहता है
अच्छा अगला सवाल ये है अगर आप you were in Noyanika's shoes, what would you choose first? If you're in Noyanika's shoes, like if you were Noyanika, what would you choose first? Character context, her character. Ay la, Kajol,
she's a
इतने सारे
lawyer,
सवाल.
she's a wife, she's a mother,
Yeah.
and she's a friend.
And Noyanika Sengupta.
So she's all of it.
Kajol has gone to a school where when the question is asked, ask 3 more questions.
Oh, she's that student. She's that student of that classroom, which means I have to be
She
very...
is that student.
I have
Kajol,
to
you are
be-
that student. If the teacher asks one question, you ask three more questions.
I know this answer could have all of you the same placards, which I think, no wait, one only, one, Kubra, one alone. No cheating. Wait, I'll tell you the question. What best describes today's social media world? Today's social media world. Except Sushant. Now everybody else has said dhoka, and we knew it that it's going to be dhoka. Sushant, why? Sushant, if you could just clarify this a little. Sushant?
Like he's just being diplomatic now. It's love, people.
Sushant, we want you to elaborate a little. Why pyar? Because you're the only one. Huh?
I just feel like she's bullying me to change my answer.
No, but you still.
It gets worse.
We've already stamped it that you love it. So we want to know your views as to why.
I'm just saying that she's beginning to bully me now. But I do. Great stories exist all around us, and pyar is the predominant emotion, and I stand by it.
Nice. That's the only different perspective that we've got on this floor. Okay, which one is more powerful in storytelling out of these three?
Sorry.
More powerful in storytelling. Which one of these three is more powerful in storytelling? I think we're going to keep eyes on Umesh ji also. Yeah. धोखा. उमेश जी आप इस पे थोड़ा सा विस्तार में बताएं धोखा क्यों? माइक इफ यू सॉरी.
यार एक्चुअली क्या है, सॉरी गाइस, हम लोग आपस में खेल रहे हैं तो उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है जिसको हम भी अभी समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो आप भी हमारे साथ थोड़ा सा वक्त दीजिए, ख़त्म होने वाला है. तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि मैंने कहानी लिखी हुई है, तो आप मुझसे प्लॉट ट्विस्ट ये कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरा कहीं कहानी आउट ना हो जाए.
हाँ ओके.
तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि सब उल्टे पुल्टे आंसर दें, कंफ्यूज हो जाएं और बाद में 19th का वेट करें जब शो रिलीज हो रहा है. बट वी रियली हैड फन प्लेइंग दिस गेम. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. So indirectly he's saying कि बस कर सचिन. You know that the director साहब has directed it so well right now for me कि Sachin, I know तेरे बोलना तेरा पेशा है पर अब बस कर ले and open the floor for media Q&A, but I shall do that. आपका हुक्म सराखों पर. And if you can just clear these placards, and I'm you know, Deepak ji and Alok ji have to leave due to some prior commitments, so we do a photo op a little later as well. But while they are here, if we can request all of you to please step forward for a photo op. एक photo op हो जाए. We will do one more photo op. Alok ji and Deepak ji have to leave, and that's the reason. as in tradition, a humble request. Please, before you ask a question, raise your hand. One of our volunteers will help you with a mic. And please identify yourself, the publication, organization that you belong to, and किससे सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं. That's very important. That way we'll be able to address it to the right individual. Whoever, there, right? Yeah, thank you.
Oh, मैं ही हूँ. Okay. Hi, this is Naveen from E24, this side. Hi, Kajol ma'am, Jishuda, কেমন আছো? Kubra, so good to see you, and I love the trailer, and I'm happy that इस season में भी आप नजर आ रही हैं. And मेरा सवाल काजोल मैम आपसे है, क्योंकि धोखा नहीं बोल सकता, तो अगर नोयोनिका को, काजोल को अगर कोई एक एडवाइस देना पड़ता लाइफ, लव एंड लॉ से रिलेटेड, तो वो क्या हो सकता है?
नोयोनिका को?
हाँ, काजोल.
आई थिंक नोयोनिका को अगर कोई भी एडवाइस देनी हो तो वो यही देगी कि उसे व्हाट शट अप. No, I don't mean to say she will say that she's to shut up, but that's close. No, but she would definitely say that जो दिखता है उसी पे भरोसा करो, जो आपकी आंखों से दिखता है उस पे भरोसा करो, अपने दिल पे हमेशा भरोसा मत करो.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक
डायलॉग
यू.
है, फिल्म का डायलॉग है.
Thank you, Naveen. Next, if you could just...
Hello. Yeah, this is Upma Singh from Navbharat Times, and I must say trailer is fantastic. मेरे दो सवाल हैं, एक काजल आपसे और एक जिशु जी आपसे. So काजल, जैसे जो नयनिका का कैरेक्टर है वो इतनी पावरफुल है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी एज अ वाइफ वो इतनी वीक क्यों पड़ जाती है? आपको ये चीज़ अजीब नहीं लगी बीइंग अ पावरफुल वुमन योरसेल्फ? हाँ,
सीजन 1 के पहले एपिसोड में ही थप्पड़ मारा है हस्बैंड को,
बंद कमरे में बाहर हाथ पकड़ के आ जाती है.
अच्छा, बाहर की बात.
जी,
अगले सीजन में बाहर मार खाएंगे आप.
अगले सीजन में बाहर पिटेंगे
सीजन 3 में.
बट ऑनेस्टली,
सॉरी,
बट ऑनेस्टली इतने देर तक मतलब वो खुद लॉयर है.
So I think when you discuss it on a woman's level, I think when you discuss it from a society level, it's very easy to say do this, do that. आपको ये करना चाहिए, आपको ये वो करना चाहिए. Theoretically, it sounds very good, but when you're put into a real life situation, it is difficult. It is a very, very difficult decision. You have so many factors to consider, and that is Noyonika's dilemma. There is a financial consideration, there are children involved in it, there is society involved in it, there is her job involved in it. So there is a lot under it. I wouldn't say she's weak so much as taking her time to make the right decision, because it's not only her that she's talking about. It's not only her that she has to consider. So it's got to do with so many other factors. So
बट अगर मैं पूछूं कि बिगेस्ट रेड फ्लैग आपके लिए क्या है एक रिलेशनशिप में?
sorry,
बिगेस्ट रेड फ्लैग आपके लिए क्या है एक रिलेशनशिप में?
the video,
नहीं, आपके लिए, नोयनिका के लिए नहीं, काजोल के लिए.
the biggest red
Flag.
Oh, the biggest red flag in a relationship. I don't know whether it's a big red flag so much as I think when you're meeting somebody for the first time, probably I think there are just small things that set you off, और जो आपको लगता है कि ये मतलब ये मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस इंसान के साथ मैं ज़्यादा देर I will not be able to have a relationship with this person. So I think there's small things more than one big red flag.
Thank you.
जिशु जी, आप हाय,
हाय.
आप मणिकर्णिका से लेके मर्दानी तक एंड शकुंतला देवी से लेके नोयानिका तक, मतलब बहुत ही पावरफुल वुमेन के हस्बैंड्स प्ले कर रहे हैं लगातार, हिंदी में खास तौर पर.
हाँ.
हाउ डू यू फील लाइक दैट?
ब्रिलियंट, लव इट.
एंड मतलब चॉइस, ये जो चॉइस आप कर रहे हैं उसकी मतलब क्या वजह रहती है, क्या आप लाइक अबाउट इट?
पैसा.
ओके, सुपर. ओके.
Oh, huh. So, huh. Money. It is whatever I've asked for, they've paid me and I did it. To be very honest, I don't think so much. आपने इतने सोच के ना क्वेश्चन की है, but I actually don't think so much. If I like my part, I'll do it.
You don't find it repetitive?
Sorry?
Repetitive नहीं लगता कभी ऐसा?
अगर ऑडियंस को नहीं लगता हुआ तो मुझे क्यों? Till the director keep taking me in this kind of roles, I would do it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for your question. Yes, if you could hand over the mic here, please. Thank you.
बताओ उसको उधर कुबरा हाय हाय
Hello,
हेलो
how are you?
ऑल गुड सो पहले तो सीजन 2 मुबारक
Thank you.
so now that you are in the second season what would you say has connected the most with regards to this character and is season ki any special memories because the cast is of course as lovely as ever so something that really stayed with you from this time shoot.
You know, I was extremely happy that I had a fully functional body in season 2. Because in season 1, I had a broken hand. And only when I was able to use my entire body. So I came and told you also, na, so मुझे पता नहीं था कि हाथ का इतना meaning हो सकता है. Like literally. In the first season, I had a broken hand. Like the entire season. So
Severely handicapped, I want to tell
I
you.
was really handicapped. Really, probably.
And I hit her on her hand by mistake also. By mistake, huh? It was by mistake.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, by mistake for sure. But imagine season 2 win and full body. Wow, amazing. Like amazing. It was really, really good. It was, but I think as a person who's playing, you know, a character that's an extension, there is so much of your first part, like that you already have in your mind subliminally. It gets so much more beautiful to play it, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. I really appreciate like the entire atmosphere and the environment that was created to then go ahead and continue. And it was such a safe, lovely, wonderful environment. Thank you so much for that, Kajol. Thank you so much for that, Umesh sir. Thank you. Jishu, you also, yeah.
And now I think you should interrupt with one compliment.
I should?
Yeah.
She knows she's...
Not her.
Oh, him? अच्छा ये अभी अपना प्यार चल रहा है but he said पैसा वो अभी पैसे वाला प्यार बन गया because he's all about yeah done. Thank you for your question.
Hello.
Sorry if you could raise your hand or stand up, we could not able to see you. Hi.
Hi, this is Vaishnavi from AdGully. So my question is to Sushant sir. How does JioStar, Hotstar measure and build trust with its audience, especially in an environment where content choices are abundant?
With really
Yeah, John.
with really good stories. It's very simple. We get the opportunity to partner with phenomenal creators, storytellers, and talent to tell good stories. And not so much trust, but if we can continue to earn people's love and affection every day, I think we are good enough. We are happy enough. And the fact that at least the last 5-6 months of Jio Hotstar, we've been able to scale to the levels that we've been able to, I think is a good testament to just how much people have begun to love and be affectionate towards this little baby. Remember, we are only 6 months old as Jio Hotstar. So, yeah, I think we just lucky. We sit amongst some fearless, phenomenal visionaries, creators, and storytellers, and we just get a chance to bring those stories to life. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, mic कहाँ है मैं?
1 second. Mic दे देते हैं. 1 second. Can we have the mic here, please?
Yeah, she has a mic.
No, mic उनके लिए.
मैं भावना शर्मा, नवभारत
जी
अभी ये जो स्टोरी टेलिंग और इसकी बातें चल रही हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट की बातें चल रही हैं, इससे जुड़ा हुआ मेरा सवाल है कि जो आपकी नयनिका है, जो सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर है, वो इस बार टकराती है ताई, और वो भी बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस हैं सोनाली कुलकर्णी, दोनों ही बहुत दमदार एक्ट्रेस हैं. जो आपने ताई का कैरेक्टर गढ़ा है वो इस तरह का है कि गलत चीज़ों के साथ वो आगे बढ़ रही हैं जीत हासिल करने के लिए. तो जो नयनिका है, क्योंकि कानून और राजनीति का चोली दामन का साथ है, और नयनिका जो है वो सच के साथ ही आगे बढ़ेगी या फिर वो भी वो गिमिक्स करेगी जो ताई कर रही हैं सामने?
सी राजनीति जो है इस बार सेकंड सीजन में राजनीति का एक ट्रैक इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है. अब आप ये सोचिए कितने कमाल की बात है कि एक तो कानूनी केसेस चल रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ एक तरफ आपके फैमिली की जो लव ट्रायंगल है वो चल रहा है, एक इमोशनल स्टोरी चल रही है. साथ में कंपनी में आपने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा, कंपनी जहाँ जिस लीगल कंपनी में नोएने का काम करती हैं, वहाँ भी कंपनी के टेक ओवर की कुछ ऐसी बातें हमें नज़र में आती हैं. और इस दरमियान इन सबको कवर करता हुआ राजीव सेन गुप्ता का एक एम्बिशन कि उनको पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है, और पॉलिटिक्स में जाते हैं और भिड़ते किससे हैं, जैसे आपने कहा ताई, ये शब्द आपने दिया हुआ है, मैंने नहीं दिया,
सॉरी।
तो मैं अच्छा लगा तो तो जब हम लिख रहे थे ये ट्रैक तो हमें लगा, और सिर्फ ये चुनाव की लड़ाई है, राजनीति में चुनाव की लड़ाई हो रही है, लेकिन एक कोलेटरल डैमेज होता है किसी चीज़ों का जब दो जायंट लोग लड़ते हैं। तो जैसे एक बार अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी साहब ने शायद कहा था कि जब एक बड़ा पेड़ गिरता है तो कुछ नुकसान तो होता ही है, तो जब बड़े लोगों की लड़ाई होती है तो उसमें कोलेटरल डैमेज होता है। तो उन लोगों के लिए किसी को खड़ा होना है, और शायद वो नए का है। इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बता पाऊँगा, बट मज़ेदार बात ये थी कि काजल कमाल की एक्ट्रेस हैं, और सोनाली जी भी मतलब आई रियली लव हर, बहुत ही अच्छी अभिनेत्री। तो ये एक मौका मिल रहा था हम लोगों की कि दो दिग्गज कला के क्षेत्र की जो लोग हैं उनको हम आमने सामने खड़ा करें। सो फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, पूरी यूनिट में जिस दिन ये हम शूट कर रहे थे सीन जो आपने लास्ट में देखा, तो एक उत्साह था, एक मतलब देयर वाज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी कि हाउ इज दिस गोइंग टू हैपन। एंड मैं सिर्फ अभी तो इतना ही कह पाऊंगा कि नो वन वाज डिसअपॉइंटेड, इट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक सीन। So I'm sure that you guys will also enjoy that scene and enjoy the performance of Kajol and Sonali ji.
Thank you. 1 second, वो mic दे रहे तो mic ले ले वहाँ से. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, sir, this side. उमेश सर, या नरेंद्र भूटानी फ्रॉम पंजाब केसरी। मेरा सवाल आपसे यह है कि सीजन 1 सुपर्ण सर ने डायरेक्ट करा था एंड सेकंड सीजन आपने डायरेक्ट करा है, सो क्या आपके लिए वो चैलेंजिंग था कि एक जो ऑलरेडी डायरेक्टेड शो है, इतना ऑलरेडी फेमस हो चुका है, एंड एक विजन को आगे लेके जाना, आपका विजन उसके अंदर एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था, या इट वाज इजी कि हाँ वही आप विजन लेके आप आगे चल रहे हैं, या देयर इज सम न्यू फ्लेवर इन दिस वन?
बड़ी मुसीबत थी यार मतलब बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत थी कि ये जो सारे बच्चे थे मुझसे एक क्लास आगे थे, तो ये सेकंड ईयर में थे, मैं फ्रेशर ज्वाइन किया फर्स्ट ईयर में, और मतलब भला उन लोगों का रैगिंग नहीं की इन्होंने, बट
अब करेंगे
अब पता चल गया। तो और सिलेबस माशाअल्लाह, मतलब ओरिजिनल गुड वाइफ के 48 एपिसोड देखने हैं आपको, और साथ में फिर अब ये भी पकड़ना है। बट सिंस आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग एट anything else except my vision of कि कैसे इसको पहले तो अडेप्ट करें, और चैलेंजिंग था। और कमाल के राइटर्स के साथ काम किया मैंने, खुशबू और अमित बहुत ही कमाल के, बहुत ही अच्छे लोग हैं, तो उनके साथ बैठ के काम किया। और चैलेंज ये था कि आपके मतलब समझ लीजिए 28-29 एपिसोड्स को, जो कि 1 घंटे के, उनको घटा करके हमें 6 घंटे के, आधे घंटे के एपिसोड्स बनाने थे। तो कहानी को किस तरह से समेटना था, एक वो है। और जैसे कि कहते हैं ना सिनेमेटोग्राफी क्या होती है, सिनेमेटोग्राफी इज राइटिंग विद लाइट। अब राइटिंग क्या है ना, सबकी यूनिक होती है, ठीक है, तो अब चाहे ना चाहे सबकी अलग होगी राइटिंग, तो अच्छी हो बुरी हो वो अलग बात है, लेकिन जो राइटिंग अलग होती है तो उसमें अंदाज़े बयां और हो जाता है। तो मेरा भी शायद अंदाज़े बयां सेकंड सीजन में कुछ और होगा। सो आई होप एंड रियली विश दैट यू गाइज वुड एंजॉय, because yes, there is a sort of a change in the narrative, telling of the story, and also the writing and also the performances.
And this one is for the cast. आपको किसके साथ काम करके अच्छा लगा, उमेश सर से या
आप क्या झगड़ा करवाने हैं?
तैयार है,
नहीं मतलब
सब तैयार है।
काम करके अच्छा लगा सर।
मतलब आप पंजाब केसरी से हैं, मतलब क्या है ये?
हमको तो एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने में मजा आया, हमको एक दूसरे के साथ
काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा।
फिर आप बोलते हो सोशल मीडिया न्यूट्रल
अच्छे लोग हैं ना, तो अच्छे लोग जिसके भी साथ काम करते हैं वो अच्छा ही लगता है।
जी सर।
तो कोई भी आ जाए, तीसरे में कोई और निर्देशक भी आ जाए तो अच्छा ही लगेगा उसको यार, और तुमको भी अच्छा लगेगा।
जी सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू।
Thank you. Who's got the mic? Thank you. One second. Yes, please.
Hi, my name is Remana. I'm from Bollywood Reporter. My question is to Kajol ma'am. We have seen you from...
Okay, you may have seen me, but I can't see you.
Right here.
I'm here right in front.
Right here in front.
Right
okay.
in front. Okay, it's from Simran to Anjali to the character of Ma, I mean, Sir Zameen, and the trial. I can see that, you know, your journey has been long and has been very beautiful. And we all love you the way you are. And now I see from the heroine, you've become the character, the real character. And somehow I feel that, you know, you have, you know, more potential to the character, because you come across as a very, very strong woman, and that reflects in most of your movies. So in this particular trial, how did you connect with this particular role?
Noyanika's character was a very easy character to connect with. I think because I think most women have faced things. I mean, they all understand the conscious decisions that we make as women, especially when we're dealing with families, kids, you know, relatives, so work, all of it, you know. And I have some wonderful women around me as well who manage all of what Noyanika does without doing it on screen and never talking about it. And at the same time, making it look so very easy. So I take inspiration from them, and I hope I've done them justice.
Thank you for your question. और वक्त
Absolutely,
के
thank you
मद्देनजर
so
एक
much.
आखिरी सवाल ले सकते हैं. One last question. We've got
Hi,
time
this
for
is
one last
Harshada
question.
Ved Pathak here. I have a question for Kajol ji.
We don't know if you could raise your hand or stand up. Who's got? Yeah, great. Thank you.
Hi Kajol ji, just one question. Like we had seen latestly, मतलब आपकी एक फिल्म आई थी where you are playing a very powerful woman, और जो प्रोटेक्टिव है अपने बच्चों को लेके, और यहाँ भी आप फैमिली और बच्चों को लेके बहुत प्रोटेक्टिव नज़र आ रही है. तो ये जो मदरहुड के बाद में आपकी जो भूमिका लेने की जो एक सोच है, उसमें कुछ फ़र्क पड़ा है?
I think बच्चों के बाद I don't know whether I think that much, honestly. But I think when you're a woman, when you're, especially in our society, when you're a woman and you have kids and you're married, there's a certain perception that society has. एक society की सोच होती है जो जिस हिसाब से वो देखते हैं आपकी तरफ, तो वो मुझे लगता है कि is very influential in the kind of scripts that you were even offered. So I can never deny that I'm a mother. I love the fact that I'm a mom. I love my kids, and I have said categorically time and again that you know, they're the best things that I've done in my life. So I think that is, yes, a huge part of how people see me.
Thank you. Sat Shri Akal. Yes. One last question. Yeah, thank you.
Wow. ताली बजाओ सिमरन के लिए, ताली बजाओ प्लीज. सिमरन को कभी पगड़ी में देखा है, नहीं देखा है, तो यहाँ पे देख लीजिए एक बार प्लीज. हाँ, बोलिए. My take is that there is no टक्कर. ऐसी कोई टक्कर ही नहीं है. I think अगर अक्षय को भी पूछा जाए तो वो भी बोलेगा नहीं तेरी पिक्चर बिल्कुल चलेगी, और मैं भी उसको बोलूंगी तेरी पिक्चर जरूर चलेगी.
Hello, yeah. Kajol ma'am,
Thank you so much. That's all the time we have.
Such a
I'm the bad one. Sorry,
last question to Kajol ma'am. Kajol ma'am,
ऐका ना.
एक
वेळ नाही आहे.
एक last
सगळ्यांना कमिटमेंट
last question. Last question.
बोलिए पूछिए.
पटकन.
Ma'am, you're looking beautiful as always. My question is that in this, I've seen your first thing or season also. You have done all kind of role, mother, then advocate and all. I want to know the last courtroom drama with Sonali Kulkarni. What was the drama? How was it, the courtroom drama over there, like politics with advocate?
Sorry, मुझे आपका सवाल समझ में नहीं आया.
नहीं, politics with जो last अभी ट्रेलर में देखा with Sonali मैम.
What was it like to work with her?
No, not work तो ठीक है. You all two big wigs. So how was the drama, courtroom drama? कैसे रहा like?
How was the whole act over drama?
Act drama.
With her to perform.
आपको स्टोरी चाहिए?
नहीं, not story. तो story
तो पूछ रहे हैं आप.
नहीं story.
कोर्टरूम ड्रामा कैसा था?
ड्रामा बहुत अच्छा था. ऑन स्क्रीन ड्रामा बहुत अच्छा था. ऑफ स्क्रीन कोई ड्रामा नहीं था. बहुत मज़े किए हमने, सोनाली ने और मैंने, और हमने बैठ के मराठी में जबर बातें की, और बैठ के हमने एक बार खाना भी खाया है, तो वी हैड ग्रेट फन, एंड that's really it. But on screen she's a very बहुत ही तगड़ी परफॉर्मर है, और I mean जो भी सीन्स हमने साथ में किए, हमने ज़्यादा सीन्स नहीं किए, लेकिन जो भी हमने काम साथ में किया है बहुत ही इंटेंस है, और मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को भी देखने में मज़ा आएगा.
Thank you so much for your question.
Hello.
And with that,
Sushant?
काजोल, इतने टाइम से आप कह रही थी कि जिशु को कब से कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट करो, मैं कहूंगा मेरा 10वां प्यार अधूरा रह गया रिफत भी. Thank you so much. I request all of you to please step forward for a photo op, and I'm also going to call a few more members on stage. And thank you to the friends from media. I request all of you to please step forward. Thoda sa. I request Rajesh Chadda from Bani J, Kunal Thakur, Karanveer Sharma to please join us on stage for the photo op. DOP Kuldeep as well, if you could request. The entire cast and crew members, if you could join us on stage. Everyone a part of Trial Season 2. Request to please join us on stage for a nice photo op. The moment to be captured. The cast and the directors up to please stay back for a photo op, sir, up with the whole cast. Can you please go ahead? Thank you so much. You can moderate it, you can tell them. Please. Hey. Thank you. Well, on behalf of the entire team, thank you so much to all our friends from the media. She'll guide you. Sorry. Thank you so much for joining us here this evening for the grand trailer launch of Trial Pyar Kaanoon Dhokha Season 2. ये शो प्रॉमिस करता है एक अनफॉरगेटेबल मिक्स, as you saw it, as you heard it, courtroom drama, emotional complexity and more moral dilemmas का, और हम वेट नहीं कर सकते देखने के लिए 19th of September 2025 जब सारे एपिसोड्स एक साथ ड्रॉप होंगे. मतलब जज साहब बिंच करने का वारंट अब इशू कर दिया है. Let's now raise a toast to Nayanika's journey. Congratulations, wishing them the best for season 2. Please join us for cocktails and conversations right outside. Thank you, and cost fun pay, no objections, Your Honor. This is Sachin Kumbar signing off. Have a fantastic evening.